Welcome to Pro Irrigation Training. We're an online trade school and we're training up the next generation of irrigation and sprinkler system technicians. At our school, you'll learn all of the fundamental skills that you'll need to know to repair and install residential and light commercial sprinkler systems. Think of us as an Irrigation 101 Academy, or maybe a boot camp or basic training, or maybe just as a solid path to jumpstart a new employee or your new career. In the past, you would have to piecemeal together a training program. Maybe you'd watch some videos at Hunter's website or go to one of Rainbird's in-person training classes in a major city. And there's also some organizations out there with certifications to where you buy a book, read the book, take a test. And I didn't find a whole lot of value in that. And the green industry has a very high turnover rate. And we feel that our learning management system can help reduce training time and can improve employee retention and technical competency right out of the gate. And we've designed this program for the visual learner, incorporating video with hands-on training exercises. Unfortunately, we can't teach this curriculum live in person and reach the people that we do because we currently have over 18,000 students in 171 countries, and we've been teaching this curriculum for over 10 years now. And we have 9 individual courses in the school, 8 of which are beginner level, and 1 that we consider intermediate level, to where we take everything, package it together, and then solve some real world problems. The courses cover all the basic topics like water hydraulics, sprinkler heads, valves, backflow prevention, electricity, timers, and more. And we've packaged all 9 of these courses together into a program that we call the Professional Irrigation Technician. In the full program, there's just under 200 video lessons ranging in length from 3 to 15 minutes. 37 of the lessons are what we call skill builder exercises. And we recommend that you grab just a couple of tools, the relevant parts for the video, and follow along and do the exercise. And in fact, do it 2 or 3 times so that when you get out in the field and you see something, you'll have supreme confidence in knowing that you've already seen that, you've already done that. Each course has a PDF download that has the text, the charts, the graphs, the data, everything that you need to know, and fill in the blanks to keep you engaged in the program. And you'll have lifetime access to all of these course materials. And I personally do a weekly live stream on YouTube on Saturday mornings where we go through and just answer any questions that students have, talk through any scenarios that you may have concerns about. But if you have any questions at all, and we could talk to you about your career or maybe your company's training program, get in touch with us. We'd love to talk to you about it.